Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl La Fierce coming to y'all today with another video. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing my an illusion part quick weave on myself, and I'm using the Duby 613 hair in 8 inches. In my B-roll, as you can see, I already applied my stocking cap, my liquid cap on top of that to protect my hair, and I'm now applying the glue to my stocking cap just to mold down the edges and perimeter of the cap so that it doesn't roll or move once I start applying the quick weave. And so I'm just allowing that to dry and using the blow dryer to help aid in that. And right now I'm going to be trimming out my stocking cap just to get all of the excess stocking cap from off the perimeter of my head. So yes, y'all, the one thing that I do love is a good quick weave, and I normally use a synthetic blend when I'm doing quick weave, but I decided to go back to using my Duby hair, or sometimes I use the bump hair. So right now I'm just cutting my tracks and placing the glue on them. I did use the white bonding glue just due to the fact that I was using the 613 hair, but I guess I could have used the dark bonding glue because I didn't know that this particular hair had the black roots, which is fine by me. So I'm just cutting the tracks, and I'll be placing them from ear to ear all the way up to the crown of my head and to the temples until I reach the top. And I'll just let the video play while I do that. See y'all in a minute.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Okay, y'all, so in this clip, I didn't have my camera placed in a high enough position. I guess I had knocked it down some when I moved it, but I was just placing the last tracks up there. And so at this point I am doing my illusion part. I think that's where I'm at. I'm getting ready to come up on it, I believe. But yeah, like I said, I'm placing the final pieces up there close to where I will be applying my illusion part. And so I'm just making sure I'm getting it nice and flat. And here you'll see I'll be mixing the bonding glue and the liquid cap to make my own adhesive. I didn't have any lace glue, so of course I had to make do with what I had at the time. And this really did work well, and I ended up for my second layer just using the liquid cap to achieve what I needed to achieve, and then um, it turned out just fine as if I did have lace glue. But yeah, right now I am just cutting the wefts off of the tracks, and I'm applying the loose hair to the adhesive, and I'm using my rat tail comb to lay it down and press it down onto the adhesive. And it's kind of tricky when you're first starting out doing it. I watched a couple of videos to see how they really achieved the look, and I really did like that method, and so I decided that I would try it out, and in my opinion it turned out pretty darn good. There's a couple things that I'll probably do different next time, but for the most part everything turned out wonderful. So yeah, I'm just going to continue applying the hair to the adhesive, and I'll see you all back in a minute.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Stiff wear. Bye.